And I'm at this other lake. Y'all don't want to see the size of this bass I'm about to pull up. But news should be still out here. And I'm at this lake. Private property. Now, look on the end of that lake. You see that? See that one thing, baby? You see that? You see that? Yes, yes. Now, gonna reel that. Come on. Alright, broke 5 poles already. Man, look at the size of the. Now, woo, woo, woo. Let me remove all this. Oh, man. You don't know I gotta take this bad boy home. Look at this. Yeah. Kurt won't put it at $20 now. I can't fish, homie. Caught him off the road. You see that? That big boy status. You see that? Private property, baby. Look at the size of that mouth. This is what I come for. That's what I come for. I wish I could be able to walk the path of. Let me see how I can be walking to the other lake. You don't need me in this lake. This lake I need to be fishing at every day. You see the size of that bass? Look at my foot. Woo. My foot. Look at the size of that. Look how chunky he is. That's a big boy there. Yep, this is the famous lake. They won't let nobody fish in this lake. I don't know why. Oh, there's a black coffee looking at me already. Now let me go ahead and go. I might be thinking I might be throwing some crazy. There's a frog. Look at the frog. Frog all beat up. That's a big boy there. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm going after. Not no little beady little tight fish. With a frog, some photo there, frog, with a frog, he's broke. What are you doing on my property? That fast on that other thing. So you give me a chance. Every time I come to this motherfucker. I'm putting fast out of the whole lake. I want to see if can I get another one. That's that one right there. Yeah, it's me again. This is my bad. I gotta take us to the other lake.